What's up, you guys? It's Mike here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the midnight green color. So if you watched my previous video, I hinted that I've been using the iPhone 6s Plus for a while, for actually the past 4 or 5 years, and it's about time to upgrade. I just got home from the Apple store, just purchased this iPhone 11, and we're going to unbox it, so let's go. This initial impressions of the box, at least, it's pretty hefty. Apple always does a good job of like representing the the actual phone on the box. Let's take this plastic off. On the box itself, the photo of the iPhone 11 Pro is kind of raised. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera or not, but it has kind of like a bevel to it. It's pretty interesting. But ooh, nice. Wow. So the back of the phone looks very like, has kind of a matte finish. And I like it. It's kind of hard to describe. It's like kind of shiny, but kind of not. It looks very good. I think they said this was glass on the Mac. Before we get too into that, let's see what's in the rest of the box here. We have designed by Apple information. Hello cars, probably warranty information, instructions. You got a couple of Apple stickers right here. Yeah, warranty information, how to. We have a SIM card extractor. We've got your earbuds. Are these the wireless ones? No, these are not the wireless earbuds, but yeah, I don't know. I need some new earbuds, so that's nice. Charger. This is a hefty charger. I believe this is the faster charger, or the faster version of the charger. I don't know all the specs. Let's see if it says it on here. Yeah, I don't know. I can't tell, but from my knowledge, you guys correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but the charger that comes with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, maybe the iPhone 11 Pros, have a faster charger than the just the base version. And of course, we have the cable that goes with the charger. All right, so we'll put that aside now. And this is a hefty phone. Like initial impressions, this is heavier than. I can't tell. These are about the same, and this iPhone has a case on it. So this is my iPhone 6s Plus. So this has a case on it. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max straight out of the box. They feel about the same weight. I'm not sure. I don't have like a scale or anything, but they feel about the same. So this is pretty hefty, which is nice. There's a feeling of quality here. So okay, let's turn it on. Does it have any power? There we go. Powering up. Now the typical hello, swipe to open. Let's see, swipe up. I want to go back to English. There we go. English, United States. So I purchased this phone from Apple. It's unactivated, so I'm going to have to go to my local AT&T store and activate it. But I didn't want Apple to to take it out of the box and put my SIM card in there and activate it themselves, because I want to do this unboxing video for you guys. I think it's done here. How to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. All right, hopefully I'll get some good angles. I've got this camera filming at the same time. Get started. So I don't know how well you guys can see this. Okay, down this way. It's giving me like directional arrows. Okay, first Face ID scan complete. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Still giving me the up arrow this way. Let me see if I can turn this way so you guys can see a little bit more. Okay. Face ID is set up now. Perfect. Continue. Okay, so we've reached the True Tone display part of the setup here. This says iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. You can change this later in display and brightness settings. See without True Tone display. Let's see what that does. Oh, I see. Just press it. Okay, so that's interesting. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell a difference here. So that's without. That's with. That's without. That's with. I think I'm going to continue using it. Appearance, light or dark. Select the light or dark appearance to see how iOS adjusts depending on which one you choose. Okay, so here's the light appearance. right here and the dark appearance right there. I think I like the light for right now. Display zoom, we'll keep that standard. Go home. Okay, are we done? Not yet. Switch between recent apps. Swipe up further from the bottom edge and then release to show your recent apps. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of giving, so we're on a screen right now that's kind of giving us like a tutorial of how to use the phone. Welcome to iPhone. Finally, I think we've reached the end of all the tutorial stuff. Swipe up to get started. Let's swipe up. Awesome. All right. So if you're researching the iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 11 Pro Max or even the iPhone 11, and you've been an Apple user for a while, you're going to feel right at home with the new phone. I can't speak for many previous generations. Like I said, I've been using the 6S Plus for a while, but I mean this feels pretty standard for Apple. Mostly has to do with the operating system, iOS. So I'm looking at the phone. I have not noticed the notch at the top until now, and I don't remember exactly what it was with the iPhone 10 or the iPhone 10R, but it's really not that distracting in my mind. I've been sitting at this desk for about 10 minutes, and I've literally just noticed it. You guys, the video is obviously not 2 minutes long, but it's really like it's not that bad. It's honestly not bad at all. It's barely noticeable to me. Obviously, we're on iOS, and that's iOS is iOS. I'm gonna have to get used to like how to operate the settings and really how to operate the touchscreen on this phone as compared to the iPhone 6S Plus, because it's a lot different without a home button. Obviously, if you're on the iPhone 10, this would be essential. You're probably already used to it by now. But yeah, I think that's really going to be the main difference, or the hardest difference I'm gonna see in getting used to this phone going forward. But so initial impressions, this is a quality product. Like all Apple products, you're going to get quality when you purchase this phone. All right, so let's see how fast Face ID picks up my face if we just set it up. So I think that the people at the Apple Store are saying we just tap the screen, it comes on, swipe up to unlock. Oh, it's unlocked. Okay, there we go. Maybe had a little bit of an issue. See if I can do it this way. So tap, it's unlocked. Swipe up to open. Okay, great. Tap. Pretty fast. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this little lock icon right there unlocks when your face unlocks the phone, which is pretty cool. And of course, you have your passcode as backup. So that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Looks like it may have issues every now and then. Let's see, it unlocked that time. I'll try to position the camera for this. Try to position the phone for this angle here. How close do I have to be? Okay, there we go. I mean, I don't think your phone is going to unlock with you like sitting kind of far away from it like this. It seems like you have to be fairly close to it for it to unlock. Of course, all of you guys who've been on the iPhone 10 kind of have already played with this already. This is brand new to me. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, so if you just turn the phone on, tilt it to your head, it unlocks. You're good to go. Okay, great. The screen, as always, is a fingerprint magnet. I don't know if you guys can tell, fingerprints all over it already. Something else I will say about the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I mean, this is the largest version of the iPhone 11 that Apple is selling right now, and it is about the same size as my iPhone 6S Plus right here. So this is the iPhone 11, iPhone 6S Plus, side by side. And obviously, this one has a case on it, so let's see if we put them right up against one another. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max pretty much fits inside the display or inside the case of the iPhone 6S Plus here, which is pretty cool. I was a little bit worried the size for this phone was going to be a little bit too big, but I'm happy to see it's not. I've got a case and I've got a screen protector that I bought at the Apple Store as well. I'll be doing reviews on those. And I think I'm also going to order a few cases off of Amazon, just to do like a brief review of like the top cases on Amazon for you guys, because I know like searching for cases and all that stuff can be a hassle. All right, so there you have it, guys. A first impressions and unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out tremendously. I'm also on Instagram at Mike the Mathman. If you want to follow me there, I post a couple times a week and it's mainly photography on Instagram, but if you're into photography, give me a follow. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Like I said, we got the case review, the screen protector review, and a few cases from Amazon. I also have a lot of ideas with this phone If you've been following the channel for a while, I'm a professional photographer, and I plan on really testing the limits of the camera in the future. The new camera that Apple has put on the iPhone 11. So I'm pretty excited about that. So lots of content with the new iPhone coming up on the channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. See y'all next time.